guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Nike AIR MORE UPTEMPO. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews, and leave some likes. Give us that thumbs up. We want to see some comments on the comment section below. We want to engage with you lot, our audience. We want to interact. Sorry if we're late to replies. We try and reply back to everyone. Let's get into this. So, if you, I've been smiling ever since we got these because I'll tell you the story later. But we got the Nike AIR MORE UPTEMPO. We got this in the black, white, black colorway, famously worn by Scottie Pippen. And we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. And I mean, look at that. I mean, I know we've done a review of MORE UPTEMPO in the past, like 3 years ago. Check that review out. I was so young back then, skinnier as well. But to have the OG ones right here is, I'm just feel blessed. I can't believe I got the pair. To be fair, it didn't sell out. It was Black Friday and they still had them at Foot Locker, so easy. It took a massive dent on my credit card, but I have been waiting almost 5 years for these. I mean, I do remember Scottie Pippen growing up wearing these alongside with Michael Jordan, of course. And I thought that these were set out because of The Last Dance. I thought people would associate this sneaker with Scottie Pippen and his obvious relation to Michael Jordan. Again, without Scottie Pippen, Michael Jordan would not have 6 rings. In my opinion, one of the best point forwards in the game. Of the other one is LeBron James. But the reason why I'm so grateful to get the pair is because I had the opportunity 5 years ago. So for those that don't know me, I used to work in a sneaker store, and I remember coming in, I had a late shift and I saw these out, and I don't remember that we had these in stock. And I just remember talking to our stock guy. I was like, yo T, when did these come in? And he told me we've had these for a while, I just didn't know. So I was like, yeah, put a size 8 aside for me please, I'll purchase them, a discount, boom. Then my manager hit me with we're sold out in your size. As soon as we put them out in the morning, they picked up. And I was so disheartened. I was so upset. So I think that's the reason why I got the all black ones. Again, we've done a review. But if you watch that video, I'm filled with a bit of a disdain and regret. But now I'm still smiling, as you can see. I'm happy to get one of my grails. Again, if you know me in person, these are one of my favorite sneakers of all time. These were one of my grails. Now that I've got a pair ticked off from my funky sneaker collection, we've done the Shaqnosis, we've done the Concord 11s, and I think that that's like the holy trinity of the 90s footwear. All I need now is really way off tangent. I know, I'm so sorry if you're here just for up-tempo content, but I'm getting a bit personal here. I want to get a pair of the Air Penny 2s and a pair of the Allen Iverson. I just want a pair of the Questions, and then I think I'm fully finished with my sneaker collection. Well, the basketball side of it. Let us start with a review now. Sorry, I was talking way too much. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, traction used for basketball, but the guys from Wear Testers have said that it's not the best for basketball. So I wouldn't use it indoors. I trust Wear Testers with my life when it comes to reviews. Do check them out. Great for on feet performance reviews. And you have the massive Nike Swoosh, that's in white with the Air at the heel. And what irks me about this rendition actually is this all white window. It wasn't all white with the retros, with the OG versions that came out in '96. It was clear, so you can see the Nike air bubble going along the midsole. So you have an all full length Nike Air unit there, nice Nike little branding on the medial and lateral sides, both there, and the whole thing that screams in your face, it's that Nike Air, famously worn by Scottie Pippen again. And for those that have watched George in the Jungle himself, he wore a pair of Nike More Uptempos as well. So for you film buffs who want to know what movie it's from. Going along the heel unit, so at the heel you have a beautiful, beautiful Nike Swoosh jewel logo, bungee cord pull. Going along onto the toe box area, so you have the Nike Swoosh that is knitted finely, I must say, with a black outline. Beautiful. This whole sneaker is so beautiful to me, really. Unfortunately, it's a synthetic nubuck material for the upper. It's not nubuck itself. You got a bungee lace system, and you got plastic hooks instead of eyelets. Going along onto the tongue, it's all padded. The ankle area, the ankle collar is all padded as well. There's no sock liner, unfortunately. And you got a massive Nike Swoosh that's knitted on the tongue as well. And that wraps it around with what I have to say about the sneaker. I'm going to show you what they're like on, and I can't wait to flex in these as soon as we get out of here. Let's do it. Let's go. Come on. When it comes to the fit, guys, try and get your true to size Nike fit. Mine is a UK 7.5, and yo, the Air units here make me feel like I can dunk on Patrick Ewing. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.